Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I'm going to teach you how to make smooth slide transition, and I know I've already taught you this before, but in this video we are gonna use another method and I think this one is better, but it's up to you, you can use which one you like. After you prepared your clips, go to Effects and Presets panel and search for Motion Type. Add it into your layer and copy my settings. Then copy and paste it on the second clip. Now add S underline markers to your layer. After you add this effect onto your layer, make sure to turn these two options into reflect. Then go around middle of your layer, put a keyframe for Shift X, and now just copy what I do. Press U to see the keyframes, select the two keyframes, press F9, go to graph editor and copy my graph. And now go to the second clip and just do the same thing for this clip as well. And also make sure to turn on motion blur. And that's it. Thanks for watching guys, I hope this tutorial has helped you. Also make sure to subscribe to the channel and I will see you in the next tutorial.